Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Lachlan Elsworth here, wanting to take you through the favourite trading time. My favourite trading time being the first 2 hours of the European cash market. Now, that is for tonight, being the 5th of October 2010. Now, what I'd like to do is again focus on my own chart, talk about what lessons came out of today's trading, both good, bad, and indifferent, and again give you a pretty candid approach as to how I trade the market. Now, first and foremost, over there on the left hand side is the dotted blue line. That's literally 6 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Now we basically started to move. Market started to move to the upside, and we actually created a double top, which I've drawn a line on for you there. Double top in this market at this time tends to be a weakness or a weak point in the market. The buyers have run up to it, the sellers have taken control, and they've pushed the market down. Interesting thing, that's exactly what happened straight after that. And we waited for those sellers to exhaust themselves, and that actually resulted, as they started to exhaust themselves, in a really nice little sell signal. Now, of course, we didn't know they were going to exhaust themselves. We thought, right, they've moved the market down. The bias has switched from green to red, so now we're actually in favor of sell signals. Let's wait and see how powerful these traders are. Now, as it turns out, guys, I did get a sell signal and jumped in on this sell signal with the intent that we were going to trade the market quite aggressively to the downside. What actually happened is I applied the 3-candle rule. Now, the 3-candle rule is literally, if the trade has not moved significantly in our favor or is moving into profit after 3 candles, then we actually seek to squash the trade. Now, this, just like many times we do squash the trade, proved to be a very smart decision. Now, we squashed the trade at -3, so -3%. Not a lot of money lost. As you can see, as we squashed the trade shortly after, it actually ran straight through our stop loss. So again, that 3-candle rule is designed to protect you if the market doesn't go in the direction that you want it to. Now, what we did is we actually crossed back over the red line, so back over one of the key SMAs that I use for my trading. We actually started to march up. As we did that, we switched our bias from red to green, which clears me to take long signals. We had this beautiful retracement here into the top of the green zone. The sellers have failed to push us through the top of the green zone, giving us a buy signal, which is indicated there by the purple arrow. Now, in the European market that I trade, round numbers such as 2,700 or 2,700 points normally offer very strong support or resistance. Very good idea if you're getting used to trading this market to ensure that if you are trading into one of those resistance levels, to have your profit target on it or before it. As it turns out, this one actually ran up from 2,695, ran out to its first profit target of 6% or 2,701. You can see we stalled at that level before then turning around and running back down again. So again, clear guidance. If you're trading to a known support or resistance level, best put your target just before it. So if we do fail to punch through aggressively, you don't actually take a stop out or a break-even trade. Now, as it turns out, ladies and gents, shortly after that trade, we crossed 8 p.m. Sydney time. That is actually the end of my trading session, and as you can see, very small number of candles in this session. Ultimately, one where we gave a slight donation, the other where we took some money off the market. A positive trading night. Again, we just used the same template and the same indicators over and over again. Now, if you do have any questions, ladies and gents, about the style that I use, please don't hesitate to contact the office, and we'll be able to put you in touch with the people that taught me how to trade. Have a great night, ladies and gents, and I'll update you every day on how the trading goes and how the strategy unfolds in the market. Thanks, and bye for now.